Alright, y'all. It is Saturday, April the 4th, 2026. Out here doing a little youth season turkey hunting. Got Colin behind the gun. He's never killed one. This will be his first turkey. It is, I may already said the time, 5 o'clock in the evening. And got slept in here these hardwoods. Got up on a little bit of a flat, oak flat. Got a cut over out in front of us. Pines to our left. Hardwoods all behind us to our right. So hoping we can get one to come in here this evening. We can get one down. So we'll start calling to let things settle down. We'll start calling here in just a second. Alright, y'all. We've been sitting here, I guess, about 3 hours now. We hadn't seen anything or heard anything. Just been doing some blind calling. Getting ready to start packing everything up. And what was it, 5 or 6? Was it 6? Yeah. 6 turkeys just flew up. Make that 7. That's body gobbler there. Because that was a good ways away from where them hens. Anyway, some hens. I know 4 of them were hens. I seen them flying up. They just roosted 75, 80 yards from us, right on the very edge of this cutover. 2 other ones I seen fly up, but I didn't get a good look at them. I'm assuming they're hens as well. But now I just heard wings again. That's probably, I'm going to assume, 75 yards more to my left. Probably 125 yards from them hens. So I'm going to go out on a limb, no pun intended, and assume it's probably the Longbeard that just roosted over here in the pines to our left. So, I guess we're going to have to wait a little bit to get up, try and get out of here. And they're moving around. Be real still. Alright, y'all. We just heard one gobble. First gobble of the morning. All morning. It's 8:08, so we got an hour and 22 minutes to make it happen. So, do a little calling. See if I can't get him to gobble again. Way off that way still. Probably 225 yards, 250 yards.
Isn't that something? I don't know if you can see his tail fan there, guys. Just barely. I'm getting back to the truck. 4 minutes left to the end of legal. And there's birds strutting right there in our turnaround spot.